down here, if you notice, it should be probably sitting on a 2x4.
What?
That would be my fault. I measured wrong, and so we had to improvise. But it works. My fault. Greenhouse build day, is it 4 or 5?
4.
4? Okay, 4. It's pretty bad when it's only been 4 and I'm already lost track. But it has been a little while because, well, we're a normal, busy family, so sometimes it takes a while to get a project done. Anyway, we're starting again today. Let's see what we can get done. So, my husband started doing the work and I was doing other work and just completely missed. I look over and he's got a beam on already, which is cool. Put that beam up attached to the chicken shed for the rafter to go on. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome, dear.
I love you.
Evidently, for him to do all this work for me. He must love me. By the butterfly?
Yeah.
There's a butterfly over there?
Yeah, a purple one.
Wow. Were you eating my strawberries?
No. I was seeing if there was bad.
Oh. Did you eat any?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hammer.
Hammer. It's on the back of the truck, of course.
Okay.
I'll get it. When you need a tool, it's never where you think you left it.
That was in the last place you looked.
Gee, I wonder why.
Give me the box.
You're fighting over a box.
He'll give me the box. He'll give me the box.
Drama much? Weird children.
Am I the only kid here?
What do you mean, are you the only kid here?
Yeah.
In the greenhouse?
Yeah.
Yep. The rest are playing in the driveway, in the mud puddles. Oh yeah, screws. Can you put them on the back of the truck? We're gonna need those.
She didn't look very happy.
Don't you hate it when the drill dies partway between in a project? Well, we are making progress, but when the drill dies, you have to be done for the day. So I think that's it for today. We'll start on it another day. This is a really long-term project, but that's okay. We will get there eventually. I guess it's a lesson in patience. I hope you'll like, subscribe, and follow us in this joyful life. Thanks.